Hey, this episode of Mike Eats the Street, we're going to eat your heart out here in Durango Hotel and Casino in North Las Vegas. We're gonna get a sandwich. Let's take a look at this place. This place is huge. Look at this place, wow. And the name, this is called Uncle Paulie's. All right, there's Uncle Paulie's Italian. It's got lettuce, tomato, some red peppers, but they're not hot. Got your cold cuts, provolone. Nice. See if it tastes as good as it looks. Hold on. Okay. All right, there we go. Uncle Paulie's Mike Eats the Street. We're in Vegas. Ready? Lots of good meats and cheese. And the Italian vinegar, really good. Let's have one more bite. There it is. Uncle Paulie's. I like this. Our life's hungry. Hold on. 7.9. Peace.
Live life 365.
Oh my. Give it back. No.